Retire like a genius.
How to become a retirement genius. 10 financial hacks to retire like a genius. Everyone wants to be able to retire at some point and live a happy, healthy, and financially secure life. But not enough people are planning to achieve this goal, and people need to remember that hope is not a plan. To achieve a well-balanced retirement, people need to work on their financial security, health and long-term care security, and their lifestyle quality as early as possible. Bringing these three things together is what is needed to build a solid foundation for a well-balanced retirement so people can retire like a genius. So here are 10 retirement hacks to retire like a genius. 1. Payment plans. Use no-interest payment plans and charge cards for larger purchases to spread out your payments. But remember to calculate what your monthly payments are to pay off the full amount inside the interest-free time frame. 2. Medical bills. When medical bills are piling up, negotiate a monthly interest-free payment plan with the hospital or doctors. And if it's gone to collection, you can negotiate a monthly payment plan with the collection agency, but don't miss payments and avoid credit problems. 3. Vehicle lease. Consider leasing a vehicle for a lower monthly payment spread out over 42 months. You'll maintain bumper-to-bumper coverage, and then you can swap out the car every 3 years for a brand new one. 4. Senior discounts. Take advantage of senior discounts and membership benefits. Many restaurants, grocery stores, hotels, retail stores, and various forms of entertainment or travel will give special discounts to people 65 and above, and or if you're an AARP or AAA member, use their membership benefit cards for other discounts. 6. Life settlements. Because life insurance is an asset with resale value, policy owners should always look at a life settlement for a policy before allowing it to lapse or surrender. They can sell their policy for a lump sum payment and no longer be responsible for paying premiums. As an added bonus, life settlements have become a very common way for people to pay for health and long-term care costs. 7. Reverse mortgage. For a homeowner 62 or older, a reverse mortgage can generate lump sum cash, monthly income, or a line of credit to draw down what you need when you need it. There's no monthly payments while you're living in the house, but remember, interest does accrue on any money used, and it must be paid back in full when the home is vacated, typically by selling the property. 8. Social Security. People can start taking their Social Security benefit at age 62, but the younger you start, the less you'll get as a monthly benefit. And remember, you're going to lock in that rate for the rest of your life. Every year, the monthly benefit increases until hitting age 70, when you plateau at the highest monthly benefit amount possible. Do all you can to wait until age 70 to attain your maximum monthly Social Security benefit for life. 9. Medicare. Pay careful attention to the annual open enrollment period, which runs every year from October 15th through December 7th. This is when people select the type of Medicare coverage they want for the next year. Medicare is not a one-size-fits-all, and you need to pay close attention to what you and your spouse pick for coverage to make sure you don't make any costly mistakes. 10. Pre-tax money. Any money you can keep before paying taxes is your most valuable money. Always maximize your pre-tax dollar contributions into IRAs, 401ks, and HSAs. Do all you can to keep your money working for you instead of giving it to the government.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.